Are you better off doing a 16-8 intermittent fast? Or would you get a lot more benefits fasting for 2 more hours and doing more of an 18-6 intermittent fast? That's what we're going to talk about in this video. If you're new to my channel, my name is 𝘾𝙊𝘾𝙃𝙄𝙉𝙂. I've been a fitness trainer and gym owner for over 30 years. I've helped thousands of people lose weight and just get into amazing shape. Okay, let's go over the advantages of extending a 16-hour fast. Let's say you're doing 16-8, that means you're fasting for 16 hours, taking in all your calories with an 8-hour eating window. What benefit will you get by fasting for 2 more hours, extending it to 18-hour fast, and then taking in all your calories within the 6-hour eating window? Okay, well, first of all, the obvious thing will be is that you're in a fasted state for 2 more hours. So you have 2 more hours of low insulin levels, right? You have 2 more hours to potentially burn fat, maybe increase your chances of depleting all that liver glycogen and getting into a mild state of ketosis. A state of ketosis just means that your liver is converting fat into ketones, so you're actually burning fat like crazy, right? And some of the other advantages of extending it for 2 hours, that you're probably going to upregulate autophagy a little bit more. So autophagy is pretty much the cleansing of cells within the body, like weak and damaged organelles get recycled. It's really hard to say when it gets upregulated the most. Most people feel that the longer you fast, the more autophagy gets upregulated. Like, for example, if you did a 24-hour fast, it'd be upregulated even more. But then you reach a point of diminishing returns. Really hard to say. It could be 36 hours, could be 48 hours. Really hard to say. But most people do feel that if you can go from 16, extend to maybe an 18-hour fast, you're probably going to get a little bit more autophagy. Okay, so I would think those are probably the big advantages of going 2 more hours. Some of the disadvantages, though, is that I think you can do 16-8. Like, you can fast 16 hours, I think, pretty much every day for a pretty extended period of time. I think you can go 4 or 5 weeks following a 16-8 protocol. I would call that time-restricted eating, because an 8-hour eating window is enough time, in my opinion, to take in enough calories and get in all your nutrition. Like, you can have 2 good meals, or maybe have 3 medium-sized meals within an 8-hour eating window. Okay, you're definitely, in my opinion, most people will still be in a calorie deficit, so you're going to be losing weight that way. But it's a pretty sustainable protocol, 16-8. But then when you jump to 18-6, it changes a little bit. Giving yourself only a 6-hour eating window, for a lot of people, it could be hard to take in enough calories and get enough nutrition if you're doing it every day. So in my opinion, if you're doing more of an 18-6, I think that's definitely more of a short-term strategy, maybe something you do for 2 weeks, or something you do consistently, but you would do it intermittently. You do it, 2, 3, 4 times a week. Or a great strategy is you could do 16-8 one day, do 18-6 the next day. So some days you're eating more calories, other days you're eating less calories. So that would be my only big disadvantage of going 18-6. Too much calorie restriction if you do it for extended periods of time. Okay, so if you're going to do it beyond 2 weeks, I think you're going to need a diet break, or you're going to have to mix in some higher calorie days, whether you have just a cheat day or whether you go to 16-8. Now, if you want to learn a lot more about intermittent fasting, I must have about 25, 30 videos on this topic on my channel. Check out this playlist of videos.